Here's a truth no one wants to admit. You're not lazy, you're being controlled. And the scary part is, you don't even realize it's happening. You tell yourself every day, tomorrow I'll focus. I'll get my life together. But the moment you sit down to work, you grab your phone again, and then you blame yourself. I'm just lazy, I have no discipline. But that's not true. You're not lazy, you're addicted. Every scroll, every notification, every short video is giving your brain a dopamine hit, and your brain gets used to easy pleasure. So when it's time to do something hard, it resists. So the problem isn't you, it's the system designed to keep you distracted. If you really want to change, stop relying on discipline. Change your environment. Put your phone away. Turn off notifications. Remove distractions. And watch what happens. You're not lazy. You were just trapped. Follow for more if you're ready to take control of your life.